front of the dragon links in hopes to see if we can get a jackpot today. So we're gonna play inside of the vault. It's their high limit upstairs. They have one downstairs, and we're gonna see what we can do. So let's see. Let's get into it. Starting with Golden Century. Hey guys, welcome in. We have made it into the vault at San Manuel Casino playing Golden Century Dragon Cash. Those are our numbers. Let's go for him. Feeling confident that we could probably make him pay us today. We got $150 in, wagering $5 a hand. Let's see if we can make him talk to us today. Okay. Oh, there we go. We once had a very long conversation, so we're hoping he pays us today. 3 more, come on. Oh, that was a teaser. Okay, we're gonna need a better lineup than that. Oh. Okay, where are you, flags? Just need 3 of you. Well, thank you for that. Oh, that was entertaining. All right, come on, let's do this. Come on, 3 flags, not 2, 3. Simple request, we can do this. Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate that lineup. 1 flag, 2 flags, 3 flags? No, you're just gonna tease me. Okay, we got this. Oh no, don't waste any more of my wilds, please. 2 more, 2 more. Oh, you are such a tease. Come on, 3 more, you got this. Oh. Where are my other flags? Oh, your spins are off. Let's do this. Oh my God. Okay, you're not even dropping hope. Where's my other 3 balls? Oh, you're such a tease. Oh. Well, thank you for not wasting our wilds. I appreciate that. Oh, well, I'm not going to press drag it. I'm going to return the game. Because I'm not done with him yet. Not just yet. Okay, guys, we are now $250 invested into Mr. Golden Century. Still playing 10-cent level. He didn't give us a bonus at the $5, so I want that bonus. I appreciate that line hit. I'm going after the bonus, though. Oh, come on, stop teasing me. I knew you could do it. I have faith in you. Oh, all those wilds. They totally came, teased us, and left. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Oh, I'm not even seeing enough of the... Thank you for that. I appreciate it. goodness. Oh, such a tease. That was like the ultimate tease. It sounded great and did absolutely nothing for us. Ultimate tease. Oh, come on. I know you can do better than this. I've seen you do better than this. One more. Oh, bonus time, baby. Finally. I was getting so concerned. I am so glad we are having this bonus with the extra pay because we got 4, so scatter wins $75. Okay, come on, let's do this bonus. Oh my gosh, he looks so serious. It's like he seriously wants to give us money. We're ready for this though. We are so ready for this. All right, let's do this. Bonus time. Come on, we need a bonus and a bonus. Don't make it complicated. Oh, the ladies paid us. Thank you, ladies. Well, he gave us a bonus. We're happy with that. That is our run on Golden Century Dragon Cash inside the vault at San Manuel Casino. Okay guys, so Golden Century was a little temperamental. Did give us a bonus. Wasn't a great bonus. We definitely took it and we're now investing it in the Lightning Cash. We're gonna play some Magic Pearl. Miss Pearl, come out for us. Playing at the 10-cent denomination, 50 credits, $5, a spin. Right here, bonus time. Oh. Well, that was a pretty mean spin. Oh, thank you for not wasting those wilds. We appreciate that. It's Sistah here. Welcome in, and I'm welcoming you in with, oh my gosh, my icon, Brian Christopher.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, y'all. Okay, we are here in San Manuel Casino, inside the vault, and we are about to hit up Lightning Link, one of my favorite games. We're gonna hit the Sahara Gold because you remember that video in Pachanga, so we're gonna try to hit it again and see if we can hit that grand. Here we go. We are at the Lightning Cash. Look at those numbers.
Beautiful.
Major looking fabulous. Brian is loving it. Hey, we got Brian Christopher here with us today. Don't forget, jump over to brianchristopherbcslots.com. Subscribe. Turn those notifications on. Like it. I love it. There's no love button, but I love it. All right. I love it. Here we go. We're playing 50 lines. We are at the 10-cent denomination. 50 credits. You ready, Brian?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Let's do this.
Do it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Would have been amazing.
Oh.
Yes, been great too.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, the screaming. Here we go. Come on, we got this. Okay, don't waste the wilds, but we will take our kings.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
All right, let's call it. Which bonus are we gonna get first?
I think we're gonna get the coins. It always gets the coins.
Okay.
Yeah, that's coming.
Then
first.
I guess I will say the castles.
Yes.
Do you call them castles? What do you call those? Palaces?
I call them
Taj Mahals?
anything that comes to mind at that moment.
That's good.
Yeah.
No, because my fans always yell at me. No matter what I call it, it's the other one.
I think it's the Taj Mahal, though.
But the argument is the Taj Mahal is not in the Sahara. So.
Oh,
Right.
that is so. Yes, you're right.
Right? That's why I'm like, I used to call it, then I started calling it a castle. They're like, Brian, that's clearly a palace. And I'm like, you're so right.
Clearly, you know what? They might be onto something though.
Yeah, right? I don't know.
Those are really smart fans.
They are. And don't worry, they'll tell you when when you're wrong.
Oh my
It
god.
rarely happens, of course.
Well, the great thing is there's no consistency here. I just call it a win. So well, let's.
They have the soy dip over there.
Stop teasing me.
I'm feeling those coins now all of a sudden.
Yeah, I feel like they're dropping. We're $100 in. I feel like it's about to drop for us.
Do it.
Yes.
No. No.
Okay. Oh. Oh gosh.
Do
Right
it,
here,
girl,
right here.
do
Do
it.
it, do it. Oh. Look at those numbers.
That
Look at
was
the numbers.
painful.
Look at the numbers.
Double whammy, too.
I did not see that.
Over,
Are you?
over $600 right there. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go find them now.
It's inevitable.
It's a hunt. We gotta go find them again.
Not tease like that and not give it up. Okay. Right here. Oh gosh. Yep, that settles it for me. We're just gonna move it around a little bit, Brian. How about that?
All right, $10 bets. Let's do it.
That settles it. There goes those castles. Okay.
Couple
it didn't
ladies.
waste it. Yes.
Maybe those are the
Camel
spots,
moves
Sistah family.
along. Hey. Girls, you got
Yeah,
me. You
the
got me.
sisters.
You got me.
There we go.
Oh, there, Brian.
That might be our biggest win so far.
Oh my gosh.
Because to be honest, our biggest one is not very memorable. What is it so far? Do you even know?
No.
Me neither. I think it's like $5. I don't even know.
That is too great.
$66. Okay.
That is really
Very
good,
nice.
Mr. Christopher.
Thank
No.
you. I tried.
Oh,
Oh, rude.
okay. The camels like you.
The camels like me.
You're one with the camels.
Yeah, I do like camels. Maybe because I spit a lot. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh gosh. Okay, here we got this. It is seriously bonus time for us.
What I should have said is maybe because I live in the desert as well. That would, I'm like, Brian, this is how fast my brain works. I'm like, you either got to bring up the spitting or the two humps. I'm like, I can't say I got two humps. So I went straight to spitting. I'm like, that doesn't sound good. So I live in a desert, everybody. Hey! Yeah. Beautiful. We got a couple $100 in there, girl.
Oh, get it.
Yeah.
I knew those coins were going to come down for us, and here we go.
Yeah.
That was Brian's hit. We're going to let him play this out.
And we're back up on top, girl. We're back up there, guys. All right, you ready?
All right.
All right. Drop
Here
that
we
miner.
go.
I'm ready for the miner now.
Oh,
Woo,
yeah.
it's going around. All right, you took a hit.
I believe in this. I believe in this.
I believe.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
thank
yes.
you. $20. Do it. Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Even better. Beautiful. Keep going.
Yes. Oh, I love those smacks.
Let's
Smack,
go.
smack,
Yeah,
smack.
butter
Yes.
Every time you hear it, you imagine someone getting slapped. Is that what it is?
Just smack, smack, smackety, smack.
Yeah. All right, Last one.
Come on, Brian, you got this.
All right. Beautiful.
Hey, that's still a really lovely win. Yes, yes, yes. I didn't even see that ball.
Which one?
That $100 ball.
That was the first one I saw.
Totally missed it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Nice.
$40 now.
Look at that. Doesn't get any better than that.
Actually, it does. Let's find more. No. Or it may not. I don't know.
I love it. I want to up it. Ooh.
Okay. I was already thinking, let's go to the 25 cent denom to do your bet. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Oh.
I mean, that's what you wanted to do when you first started.
BCSlots.com
Right?
is my guy. I love him. All right. So Brian Christopher says you up it to 25 cents. You up it to 25 cents.
Yeah, there you go. All right, you got the first spin this time.
Here we go.
And you were right, by the way. We did get the coins to drop first.
Yes, and now.
I'm ready for the castle.
Oh!
Yes, cheers.
Where does that happen? Where does that happen? But with
Right
Brian
here.
Christopher.
You call that pretty lucky, my All right.
Oh
Let's
my
get that
gosh.
bonus in the bonus now.
Oh
You ready?
my gosh. Slappity slap slap.
Slappity, slap, slap, slap. Oh, nailed it.
Oh. This is your pick.
What do you normally do?
Your bonus,
All
your
right.
pick.
What do you normally do, though?
I normally go left.
Me too.
Oh.
That's an easy decision. Done.
It's
Get it, girl.
We're
Yes.
one. We're one. That's it.
All right.
That's the one.
I'm
Okay.
looking for some words.
This
Come on,
is it.
tell me a
This is
story.
it.
Mini,
Oh.
minor, major. Drop
Talk
it,
to
drop
us.
it.
Talk to yes.
That's a
yes.
$250
Yes.
one. Nice.
Talk to us.
Tell me a story. All right, your turn. Go ahead.
Here we go.
Give her a slap-a-roo.
Oh, slappity slap slap.
Oh,
Oh.
come on. I can do better than just 2 coins, I think.
We
I'm going
got
to drop
this.
2 more right now.
Here it comes. Slap
One
slap.
and... That's
Slap.
it. All right, we'll take one.
We'll take
There you
Oh,
go.
there's
There's
the
the
two.
double
There's
slap.
the two.
That was a double slap.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh
slap,
my God.
slap. Oh,
I really
gosh.
feel a big word coming.
Yes, it's
I
coming.
do.
It wants to talk to us. It wants to tell us.
Oh
right.
my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh. Slappity slap slap.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Another 3 to go.
What's that saying, Brian, that you use?
I have so many. Which one? Fill it up, Buttercup. That's one. Oh, Nelly.
Oh, my
Last
gosh.
one. Do it.
Slappity slap slap. Stick.
All right.
Okay, we will
Great
take
bonus.
it.
Love that noise. Wow, good.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
475.
That was a nice bonus.
Well done.
That was really nice.
Yes. Well, we've officially doubled up on here now.
We have.
That's amazing.
I mean, don't we stair step at the 50 cents?
You are a dangerous lady. Oh my goodness.
You love it, Brian.
I really love it.
La la la.
Okay, what do you mean by this now?
Okay, we're just
This is
stair
where you're
stepping it right up to the dollar.
Wait, what do you mean up to the dollar? What's the stair step
We're
up
at
to the
50
dollar?
cents. Once
Oh,
we hit
but-
a bonus, we'll stair step it up to the dollar.
Okay, see, for me, stair stepping was like doing every bet on the 50-cent denomination.
Oh,
Right?
Oh.
Yeah. So let's not do that. So let's do the baby steps instead. All right, good.
My sister almost had a heart attack.
Yeah,
no,
'cause
yeah,
that'll
no,
be a
this is great.
$125
This
bet.
is, yeah, hello.
Okay,
this is
good.
fabulous,
All
right,
right.
here.
It's your spin. You go for it.
All right, 50 cent denom.
Let's do it right
Oh, that would have been exciting.
now. So over on my channel, we played the Dragon Cash.
Yes.
Dragon Cash, you guys. And it's a fun video. We have a good time. Even get ourselves a nice little bonus. Come on.
Yes. We'll be ready to see that. I'll be over there. BrianChristopher.com. You'll be seeing me down there. I thought you had that, Britt. I got distracted.
BCSlots.com. BCSlots.com.
What did I say?
You said BrianChristopher.com.
Did I?
That'll take you to a musician named Brian Christopher. No offense to him, but.
BCSlots.com. Luckily, it'll be down in the description. Click the link.
I mean, alternatively, they can go to BrianChristopherSlots.com. A little
Oh,
longer
there
to
is
type
a
that.
Brian Christopher Slots, I thought.
Yeah. It's the same size.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's the same size.
Okay.
Is it you or me?
It's your slap.
Me?
It's your
Okay.
slappity
My
slap
slap.
slap. I pulled that.
Alright.
Because your slaps have been fabulous.
This is when I get nervous, because now we're at the halfway point, or the double point.
That is true.
Alright, what are we at? Is it my turn or your
Oh
turn?
yeah, we did double up.
Yeah!
What did we do? We doubled it up. That's
I mean,
fabulous.
it's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I like the double. I like the double.
Alright.
So, can we hit up another machine?
Sure.
All right. We'll see you at our next machine. All right, we have found our next machine. Brian agrees. We are at the Buffalo Gold, still inside of the vault, San Manuel's Casino. We're just gonna elevate this and completely go straight to the $12 bet lines.
Oh boy.
We got this, Brian. We can do this.
That helps. Let's start.
The multipliers really like you, Brian.
They do, 34 bucks.
I've watched your videos. I know they come out for you.
Hopefully the coins really like you.
Yes, the coins actually do like me.
And we're even at 1,000.
Yes. We started at 5, so we're still
Well, sorry,
at...
not even at an even 1,000. Sorry. Started at 500. Though.
Yeah, so still up, still up. And about to be up even more
Hopefully, let's get that bonus.
when the coins come down. I'm telling you, those multipliers are going to come down for you, and I'm going to appreciate it.
Do it.
Oh, come on, coins. Oh, we just need 3, 4 if you want. 1. Oh! 1, 2, where are you? Right here, right here.
Do it.
Oh, it's right there.
Of course it is.
Oh gosh. I believe in you, Buffaloes. I believe in you. Okay, so what can we find on bcslots.com that we cannot find on brianchristopherslots.com?
It's the exact same website.
Oh,
Yeah. It just redirects to the bcslots.com.
okay. Well, apparently Sistah likes to type, so we'll put both of those in the description bar. Okay. Can we get some more multipliers with, oh, this works. Oh, no, that didn't work.
I don't know, I clapped, so I thought it might come with a clap. That was weird. I've never clapped before like that.
We're going to clap for coins.
I felt like it might do something. It does not.
But the Buffaloes, they can come out for us with some multipliers. We're not clapping for coins.
Oh.
Okay, we'll take
$8 of queens.
Yeah, we'll take them. The 10s could have paid us. That was kind of mean. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Rude.
This machine is just
It's taken.
the Buffaloes.
It doesn't understand the relationship of give and take.
Okay, guys, we'll take it to 500. See if we can hit a bonus in that time.
Yes, please.
Let's do this. I'll take my 10s because, once again,
Oh.
I'm not sure what our best lineup has been. You're so quiet, machine. Wake up.
I know, wake up. Wake up. Oh.
Brian, what's that thing you do on your channel to clean it up or
Yeah. We Windex the
juice
machine.
it?
We don't juice it, we wake it up. We Windex it.
Okay. It's got that special touch.
It works.
It's here to do it. It is
Yeah.
here to do it.
It gave us 9.
Hey,
And
advantage. Yeah, let's take
it's
it.
a win, so we can't complain, right?
Not with all that juice.
I mean, we made $1, so. Jeez. There you go.
There we are, Buffalo.
Nice. 3 buffaloes. Another one. It's a good hit though. $40.
Yeah, you've been
That's the
waking
first
it.
time we've hit 3 buffaloes, I think. Oh, that would have been nice in reverse. Oh, Nelly.
Oh, here it
We're
comes.
at the 500.
Right here. It's coming for us. Oh, we are missing one in the center. It's the middle for me. It's the middle.
All right, 5 more spins. Come on. Wake up, wake up,
We could
wake
do
up.
it. We could do it. I believe it. I believe in it. Okay, thank you, Queens.
Good one.
Yes, sister girl. Thank you. We're almost there. Oh, come on.
Ouch, 3
Oh,
more.
Last few hits. We can do this.
All right, 3 more again. Oh no, just 2 more. Rude. Going. This might be the last spin. Do it.
Here we go. And
Oh,
no.
rude, Buffaloes. Rude.
But I just had so much fun with Ryan Christopher.
Thanks so much for having me. It was a pleasure. Absolute pleasure.
It was my pleasure. bcslots.com in the description bar. We will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.